Hey, it's Kat. This is my snowstorm outfit of the day. My snow pants and coat are from Helly Hansen. My gloves are from Lululemon and fingers come out. My hat is from Cabbage Design Seller. And my boots are from Ghani. These are rain boots, but my snow boots are in Chicago, so.
Okay, my jacket's from North Face. My Cactus Jack sweatpants are from, I don't even know, to be honest with you.
Your brother.
My brother. These boots are from Converse. I got them on Essence. And this beanie is this random brand I found at a vintage store.
These shoes are not recommended for the snow.
No, I like them.